Views not increasing on YouTube? It can be so frustrating, but here's the good news. Follow these simple steps and you'll be amazed. Your videos will become far more discoverable in YouTube, allowing you to gain more views and not only that, subscribers. And step number one is your 100,000 view plan. Fact of the matter is, great videos here on YouTube are planned out. That does not mean you need to spend hours and hours researching and planning. It does mean that literally 15 minutes could mean all the difference between very few views and blowing up. And step number two is to make it easy for the algorithm to connect your video to the perfect viewer. And all you have to do is go to YouTube and then type in 2 or 3 words that really describe the video you want to make. For example, I wanted to make a video for YouTubers who wanted more views. So I started typing and I found this phrase. And what's important is you really want to focus on creating a title that includes that keyword phrase. That's going to connect the viewer to the video you're going to publish. And then step number 3 is you want to trigger the algorithm by simply asking your viewers in your video, within the, say, 30 seconds to maybe 1 minute or so, ask them to simply hit the like button. In fact, if you like videos on growing a channel and gaining more views, hit the like button right now and that'll allow me to know to make more videos just like this. And that is exactly how you want to do that call to action as well. And this is really powerful early in your video rather than asking viewers to subscribe, because as you start to grow, the subscribers, they can't subscribe. They're already subscribed. On to step 4, which is to create videos that viewers absolutely love, and we're gonna honor what they wanna watch. This makes it so much easier for you. And to do that, it's really pretty simple. Simply focus on the keyword phrase that you're gonna use in your title, and then think about all the people that would click on that video. What would they wanna watch? What are some of the bullet points that you could create to guide you when you're filming? And that's it. Create 5 to 10 bullet points based on what you think the viewers would want to watch. Easy. Step number 5, this will dramatically boost your watch time. And we know there's a huge correlation between videos with tons of views and videos with a lot of watch time, because YouTube has mentioned it again and again. And all you have to do is literally read your video title as you begin your video. Because what this does is make a really seamless viewing transition from when the viewer is on YouTube and they're scrolling and flicking and they see your thumbnail, they see your title, and then they click it. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna read the video title they just read. Then what you wanna do is simply begin your video with the actual thumbnail, or create a frame that really looks very similar to your thumbnail. This again creates that really congruent experience between the video title, the thumbnail, and the first few seconds of your video. And if you remember my video intro, the first 5 to 10 seconds, I literally repeated the video title and I showed the thumbnail. Views not increasing on YouTube? It can be so frustrating, but here's the good news. And here's a power tip. Follow that up and immediately focus on what those viewers, again, who are going to be thinking about that video title they just clicked, think about what they'd want, what they really desire. So for my audience, they want views. You know, I'm not getting any views. I'm not growing. So what did I say? I mentioned it can be so frustrating not to get any views. And then I did 2 things, and I was really specific. I mentioned simple and steps. I mentioned these simple steps can allow you to move forward and get views. 1, it's not complicated. It won't take hours. And 2, steps, because viewers understand steps. Then I got to number 1 immediately. So there was no time for the viewer to get bored and click off. Step number 6 is really to focus on the pacing of your video. Now that you have those bullet points based on the keyword phrase, the topic of your video, do your best just to spend maybe 30 seconds, no longer than a minute, on each bullet point. And if you catch yourself going off on a tangent, stop stop filming and simply start again, and then really edit that together in a seamless video. And it's on to step 7, the view multiplier. Again, really simple. Go into your YouTube analytics and look for a video that you've already published that's based on the same topic. Now, if you've got several, I recommend you pay attention to the videos with the most views, or if you're really an analytics geek, pay attention to the videos that are converting more viewers into subscribers. And you're just going to be aware of that video, and then you simply add one more bullet point to your notes at the end. And as you're filming your video, you don't say goodbye, you don't say thanks for watching, you kind of lean in and you say, now there's one more really powerful thing, and you relate it to whatever your topic is about. So for me, it's like, if you want to get views, this video on the screen covers view duration, click-through rate, or the power of charisma. And then you say, click that video and I'll see you there. Now that just multiplied your views. And step number 8 is based on a really popular question. When is the best time to publish? If your audience is in the States, publish Sunday morning, because people are chilling out. They're relaxing. They're sipping coffee and they have time to pay attention and focus on your video. So upload your video and schedule it to go live early Sunday morning. Now, if your audience is in a different country, repeat the process and just aim based on the title, or the time rather, of the audience and where they're located. But step number 9 is more powerful. It's really just a tip. You can do great by releasing on Sunday morning, but the fact of the matter is, when your video is done, publish that video, especially if you're struggling to grow. You don't want to be waiting around, especially if the Sunday's coming up in like 6 days. You could have another great piece of content ready to be released on Sunday. So just move forward, publish when your videos are done. And the other thing I want to say is that, a lot of those types of tips, when's the best time to publish? What's the best video length? These aren't the things that are going to blow up your channel. They can help, but it's really based on the previous steps that I've shared. And then step number 10 is smart video linking. The video that you added to your end screen, the one where you went in, you found your best performing video, and then you created kind of a teaser at the end of your current video. Well, use that video again and create a comment, add the link to that video in the comment, and then pin it. Now, what's going to happen? The only thing that can happen is viewers who are watching your current video click that video, and you just got more views. Step number 11 can really amplify your ability to really hone in on the very best keyword phrases by leveraging the power of TubeBuddy. It's a free tool. It's super helpful. There's all kinds of new features coming out. You don't want to miss out. Check out the link. It's in the description. And step number 12 is to discover the most powerful secret that all the big YouTubers leverage to get crazy views. Discover the secret by clicking on the video right now, and I'll see you there.